This could be interesting, but I am not sure. Anyway, I publish it because perhaps it's interesting. This is the bicycle dynamo, and I burned out, say, approximately 6 LEDs. They were yellow, and it had of course to do with the properties of these LEDs, etc., etc. And like we know, like I told earlier, the LED has to have a constant current source, and of course that is not the case. So when I connected all the, say, yellow LEDs directly to the AC transformer, they burned out. Anyway, completely logical, but perhaps this is more interesting. Now I want to use 2 blue LEDs, and the important thing to tell is that this big blue LED has a resistor going to the AC source, that is the transformer here, 6-volt bicycle generator. It has a resistor of 200 ohms. Let me try it again. I have to be completely sure. Yes, the lamp here. The big blue LED has a resistor to the AC generator of 200 ohms, and the small blue LED has a resistor in the order of 920 ohms. Well, and it means I've in many cases talked about the properties of the LEDs. They need a constant current source, etc., etc. And that also means that 2 blue LEDs here, 2 blue LEDs, don't have the same properties and thus need different resistors to supply them. Well, that was all to tell. I want to demonstrate that in a better way. Here is my carpet, and of course with a bicycle lamp we have here that wheel that has to turn when it is, say, in a certain way connected to the bicycle band. The tube, that's what I mean, the bicycle tube. So, I hope I can demonstrate what is happening now. Well, you see here the LEDs, and to get both LEDs light up in the same way, we needed 2 different resistors, and you can surely see that it works. The 2 different resistors supply each blue LED with the right voltage. So that was all to tell. Thanks for watching. It's a kind of advice when you want to make a lantern for whatever. Could be a car, a bicycle, a moped, etc., etc. And you want to use LEDs, blue LEDs, to make that they light up in the same way. Do some research on the resistors, say the supply resistors. Thanks for watching.